right at the comfort of your home. Come with me as we discover and conquer the world of Grade 8 Mathematics. Let us start to learn and to love mathematics. Picture paints 1,000 words, then why can't I paint you? Are you familiar with the song? Then, let's make it an activity. If a picture paints 1,000 words activity, examine each picture. Choose the letter of the correct answer. Number 1. A. If I suffer from headache while working, then I will rest for a while. B. If I have plenty of money, then I will buy a car. Or C. If the rain continues, then flood may follow. The answer is letter C. Number 2. A. If I have plenty of money, then I will buy a car. B. If I will study hard, then I will earn high grades. Or C. If I suffer from headache while working, then I will rest for a while. The answer is letter A. Number 3. A. If I suffer from headache while working, then I will rest for a while. B. If I will study hard, then I will earn high grades. Or C. If I wash my hands, then I will be free from any virus. The answer is letter B. Number 4. A. If I suffer from headache while working, then I will rest for a while. B. If I have plenty of money, then I will buy a car. Or C. If I wash my hands, then I will be free from any virus. The answer is letter C. Number 5. A. If I suffer from headache while working, then I will rest for a while. B. If I have plenty of money, then I will buy a car. Or C. If I wash my hands, then I will be free from any virus. The answer is letter A. Class, these are samples of if-then statements. Do you want to know more about these statements? Then, stick with me. An if-then statement or conditional statement is composed of two clauses, the if clause and then clause. We can denote P for if clause and Q for then clause. The statement is in the form if P, then Q. The P statement is called the hypothesis, and the Q statement is called the conclusion. After the word if, we have the hypothesis, or P. And after the word then, we have the conclusion, or Q. Let's have the examples. Identify the hypothesis and conclusion of the following statements. Letter A. If Shane prayed, then she would be blessed. So, what is the hypothesis and the conclusion of the given statement? The hypothesis is Shane prayed. And the conclusion is she would be blessed. Letter B. If the angle is obtuse, then its measure is greater than 90 degrees but less than 180 degrees. what is the hypothesis and the conclusion of the statement? Hypothesis: the angle is obtuse. Conclusion: its measure is greater than 90 degrees but less than 180 degrees. There are cases wherein the words if and then are not mentioned in the statement, yet it remains a conditional one. Let's have letter C. Good citizens obey rules and regulations. If we analyze the statement, it is very clear that it is conditional because it suggests a cause and effect relation. Thus, the given statement can be stated as: if you are a good citizen, then you obey rules and regulations. So, the hypothesis: you are a good citizen. And the conclusion: you obey rules and regulations. It is equally important to note that sometimes the effect is stated after the consequent. Let's have letter B. CJ eats chicken sandwich if he is hungry. So, what is the hypothesis and the conclusion of the statement? The hypothesis is CJ is hungry. And the conclusion is he eats chicken sandwich. Now, you are going to transform a statement into its equivalent if-then statement. After that, identify the hypothesis and conclusion. Let's have the examples. Filipinos are God-fearing people. The if-then statement for letter A is: if you are Filipino, then you are God-fearing. The hypothesis is you are Filipino. And the conclusion is you are God-fearing. Another example, a triangle has 3 sides. The if-then statement for letter B is: if the polygon is a triangle, then it has 3 sides. Hypothesis: the polygon is a triangle. Conclusion: it has 3 sides. This time, I want you to do the Who Am I and Make Over Me activities. Let's check. Did you get a high score, class? Congratulations! You did a great job. For your assignment, let's pretend that you're one of the candidates running for president of our country. Write 5 if then statements about your plans if you win, and compose a jingle about if then statements. Oh, it's bye bye time again. So, I am leaving you with these 6 things mentally strong people do. Number 1, they move on. They don't waste time feeling sorry for themselves. Number 2, they embrace change. They welcome challenges. Number 3, they stay happy. They don't waste energy on things they can't control. Number 4, they are kind, fair, and unafraid to speak up. Number 5, they are willing to take calculated